Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we learn some good vocabulary with the help of a short paragraph. As you can see here, I have written a short paragraph and there are 5 blanks. And I have written 5 options for your help. So you will tell me the correct answer for each blank. I will also explain you the meaning of this paragraph. The level is B1 plus. B1 or above is the level of this text. We understand each and every sentence in detail and find out the difficult words. So let's begin with the class. Ich will in meinem Beruf vor allem Karriere und viel Geld. So now you have to tell me what is the correct answer. Before that we should understand this is about Beruf, profession, job and career. So the text is about Beruf, profession, career, job, Geld and all that. So ich will means want. I want in my profession, especially career. So I want in my profession especially to make career. So career, the number 1 is machen. Ich will in meinem Beruf vor allem Career machen. You can see here will is wollen modal verb. So here we need infinite form. It is machen. Und viel Geld and lot of money. Viel Geld means lot of money. Earn. I want to earn lot of money. So this is our 2 point. Now you understand? You can read again. Ich will in meinem Beruf vor allem Karriere machen und viel Geld verdienen. I want in my profession especially to make career and earn lot of money. It is the target, it is the aim of everyone to earn lot of money to become successful in the career. So same is written here. Next sentence. Mir ist es auch wichtig. Look at the sentence. Mir ist es auch wichtig means it is important to me. Mir dative. This kind of sentence are always dative. Mir ist es kalt. Mir ist es wichtig. Mir ist es unwichtig. It means it is important to me. Thus, der Beruf interessant ist. So verb position is last because there is a connector conjunction das. And you know with das verb position is last. This is the verb. So he is saying it is important to me that the Beruf interessant ist. He wants to do an interesting profession, not boring life. He wants to enjoy the Beruf, enjoy the profession. That's why he is saying ich möchte einen Beruf, der interessant ist. I want a profession which is interesting. Und ich eine Aufgabe habe. Aufgabe means work and he wished to have a work. What kind of work? We need to write here adjective. So, ich möchte eine verantwortungsvolle means responsible work. Verantwortungsvolle Aufgabe. He is saying I want to have a responsible work, responsible assignment. Aufgabe means work, task, assignment. And what type of work? Verantwortungsvolle, Nummer 3 means responsible work. Here, verantwortungsvolle Aufgabe. Die Aufgabe, so E ending. Verantwortungsvoll, full of responsibility. There are a lot of responsibility. So he wants to carry on. He wants to take up the responsibility. So that's very good. Not everyone like that. Dafür wäre ich auch bereit. Bereit means ready. And for that I would be ready. Zu machen. Zu machen. Überstunden. This is number 4. And he's saying for that I am ready to do overtime. Überstunden, overtime. Überstunden machen. This is fixed verb noun combination. And he's saying for this responsibility I am even ready to do overtime. Bereit. Bereit sein. Ich wäre bereit. Ich bin bereit. I am ready to do overtime. Überstunden machen. Naturally, of course, möchte ich einen Beruf, der für mich eine Herausforderung ist. Which is for me challenging. Herausforderung, die Herausforderung, challenging. And he is saying, naturally, I want a profession which is for me a challenge. So this person is really wanted to have a challenge, sort of challenging job, very good job where he loves doing the work. He want a challenging task, a good job. This is the taste of this person. He wants something interesting job where he can put in lot of efforts, he can do overtime and he can enjoy the profession. So this person likes challenges at the workplace. So that's all in this short paragraph, short note. We have seen lot of difficult words. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.